Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're gonna make a really cool video. The video that I want to make today is something that I've been thinking about for quite a while, and it's about making t-shirts for our own kids. And my son is always drawing, you know, his little cartoons. They're not the greatest, but these are really cool cartoons. And guys, I was thinking about this. He brought me this the other day, and he said, he said, this is you, that's me, and this is my wife. And I thought that was pretty cool, and I was thinking about, you know, all the little drawings that he makes, and I'm pretty sure if you guys have kids, you know, I'm pretty sure that you guys know what I'm talking about. You know, when our kids, you know, they come up with little cool things like that. And I was thinking to myself, want to make a shirt for him, and put this in a shirt for him, because guys, in reality, we bend over backwards for our customers, and we do stuff that we know we can't even, you know, make, and we make the effort to make everything for our customers. And I was thinking, why can't we do that for our own kids? If we invest so much in our businesses and our customers, why can't we do that with our own kids? So today, I'm gonna make just this side right here. I'm gonna make this one into a t-shirt for my son. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scan this picture, or this drawing that he did, and then I'm gonna transfer it over to CorelDRAW and draw on it. I'm not gonna put any color. I'm gonna make it exactly like it is. I'm not gonna make any special effects or anything, just as simple as the drawing it is right now. So I don't want to change anything. I'm gonna leave it just like it is. So let me scan this, and I'm assuming everybody knows how to use a scanner, right? You don't? You don't know how to use a scanner? Well, if you don't know how to use a scanner, let's cover that right now. Let me show you real quick how to use a scanner, okay? Okay, so now that we got that taken care of, okay, so now that we got that out of the way and everybody knows how to use a scanner, let's continue on with the design. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it from my scanner, and I'm gonna send it over to CorelDRAW, design it, put it on a positive, burn it, and then you know what we do. This is screen printing, so you know what to do. We're gonna burn the screen, and then we're gonna put it on a shirt. Cool. So I'm not gonna show you the entire process, since you're probably laughing about my scanner tutorial. So I hope you like it. This is pretty cool. Again, this is supposed to be a shirt for kids, and let's make it fun. Okay, let's invest in our own kids. If you don't have any kids, I'm pretty sure you got nephews, nieces, what have you. So cool. Okay, so we got the positive ready. Let's burn the screen. Cool. Follow me. Actually, you can stay here. I'm gonna go burn the screen. Okay? This is how I dry my screen. This emulsion is Ulano Orange. Don't try to do that with a two-part emulsion. You'll mess up your screen. Now I'm going to apply blackout. And this is so I don't have to put any tape. Instead of blackout tape, I use blackout in the liquid form. And again guys, I'm just doing this to invest in my son. So now he's going to be wearing his own drawings. So there you go, guys. What is it?
We are Bellamy.
I know, but what is it?
Body, lemon, and Bucky.
I know, but who drew this?
You,
I drew it?
me.
Yeah, you.
Like the picture?
Yeah. It's still in here, watch. See, this is your drawing. And then I put your drawing right there. And then I move the We Are Family over here. You like it? Cool? Like it? Alright. I just wanted to do this, this little shirts. I've been wanting to do something like that for a while. So guys, if you like this video, share it, like it, subscribe, ding the little bell so you know when I upload new videos. It's a pleasure, like always. Stay cool, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay? Peace out.